Hello and welcome to Fixing Things. Today we're going to be answering that age-old question, can you play Fortnite on a Blackberry? A Blackberry is what your parents used to sext on and what many businessmen still sext on today. So I thought we would try and play Fortnite on it, because old technology, yay! Obviously, we're not going to be able to play Fortnite on this as is. We're going to have to make a few modifications. To get started on step 1, we're going to have to open this thing up. It's a little known fact that the factory made it very easy to get into. If you flip it over, you can... Before moving on to the next step, it's important to have a little me time. Step 2 involves giving the Blackberry a little help in the power department, if you know what I mean. Before we get to step 3, if you look closely, you'll see that we added a graphics card. You can do that by... Now that your graphics card is firmly in place, it's time to start this thing up and see if we can download the Fortnite app. So there you have it. If you ever wanted to play Fortnite on a Blackberry, you cannot. I don't know, leave some comments below if you've got any. What? What are you gonna say? Seriously. What? I don't care. Leave a comment. See what happens.